Okay, so suppose you want some kind of have you take biryani? Do you know that biryani?
Sorry, what can you say, Para?
Do you know what is biryani? Biryani food?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Suppose you want a biryani, then you have to or fried rice. Then you check with the menu that the particular item is available or not. Or if you want some kind of ice cream and they providing you the list, from that list you have to choose which flavor you want. The switch case is just like that. It is giving you the option, and from that option, that the value you want to choose, you have to pick over there. A switch statement allow the variable to be tested for equality against the list of value. Each value is called as a case statement, and the variable being switched on is checked for the switch case. In switch case, what you have? So first you have to write switch then expression. Expression means the value that you want to check or the item that you need it. That the thing you put in the expression part. The value that you have put in your expression part, it is checked with the case statement. Case statement means which is already present, and the value that you are taken, you have to match with it. So if it is match, then the corresponding statement is executed. So sometimes happen that which flavor of ice cream that we want, that is not present over there, or which item that we want in hotel or restaurant, so their item is not present. Then at that timing, uh, the delivery boy or the serving or manager will come and asking you that today this item is not available, but today we have the special dishes in our hotel, so you have it, so you have to take it for that. The similar way, in the switch case, there is a option is present which is called as the default option. The default option is working when your no option has matched. So the value that you are passing, if it is not matched with any option, then your default statement is execute. The default statement is execute when there is no option is available. A switch statement allow a variable to be tested for equality against the list of value. Each value is called as a case, and the variable being switched on this check for each switch case. Got it? What is switch case? Understood?
No, not really.
Yes?
No, I do not understand.
Okay, so it's just like that. I give you example. Just I'll show you video.
Okay.
Let me show you. It is audible to you.
No.
Take here. I'll. Okay, it's just like what? Suppose I'll draw some figure, then it is helping you. Just a minute.
Okay, sure.
I open the paint. I will have some kind of figure. 1, 2. So I have 3 color. Now it is visible to you. Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. So suppose these are the 3 paper. Okay. And suppose these are the 3 colors are available, and I want to paint in my home. Okay. Then I will go for it. So suppose I want it is present in a store. It is your store. Okay. Let me write here.
Okay.
It is in a shop. It is available. Now I want which color. So I don't know in shop what are the colors are available. So I go there and taking the flat. Okay. Now I go there and giving it to the shopkeeper that I want this color. Now the shopkeeper has checked is the color is available. It will check this color is match with yellow. Yes or no?
Yes.
It is match. This color is match with this color.
Oh, no.
This color is match with second one.
No.
This color is matched with the third one.
Yes.
Then I got it. So switch case is just like that. Means you have to take a value. This is your value, and these are the value is present in the case statement. These are the case statement. Okay. So you can say
Mhm.
it is one case. Suppose it is case one. Then is case two. Case two, and it is case three. Suppose if these are the colors are not available, then the shopkeeper is prescribe me this color. can say it is called as the default case. Okay, so now it is my value. The value that I want to search, it is present in switch statement. It is now check with the case one. So with the case one, it is not match. In the case two, it is not match. In the case three, it is match. So it is showing you yes, it is match. So it is giving you that your result is case three. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Now
Now,
suppose
what is the point of it?
what is the
What is the point of it?
what is
Point of it.
pointer?
No, what is the point? Why do we use it? Why
Because
do we need it?
we need because of like when you go for a option choosing like it's just like when you are going to the restaurant, so you have some kind of option, so you have to choose it. When you go for a online purchasing, so it is showing you, suppose you want some kind of dress or t-shirt, so it is showing you the option, so these are the t-shirt is available, so you have to choose it. So that option choosing, for that scenario we use this program. Okay, where the options are available, in that case switch case is present. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Now check it. Suppose here I delete it. Now this one. So now I take another color.
Mhm.
Okay, just a minute. Draw it. Then okay. Now check. I want this color to paint my home. Now it will check with this color. Is this color is match with this one? Tell me.
Okay.
Is this color is match with this one?
No.
Now check here. Is this color is match with the case 2?
No.
Now is this color is match with this case 3 or option 3?
No.
So if
No.
the value that you want, if it is not matched with any case statement, then the shopkeeper will give you this one. The shopkeeper is saying that this one is the best color, you have to take it. So lastly you have to take this color, pink color. You want a red color, but if that red color is not available in the options, then your default statement is executed. The similar way, the item that you search in a restaurant, if that items is not present, then automatically the the manager will what tell you that these are the items are not available, but we have some kind of delicious item that is present here, so you have to take it. So this is the option, default option. Okay. Now in every case statement, understood now what is the default?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
But
Now
why do we need it including? Why do we need it?
why you need which switch case?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Switch case is required for the option choosing that I told you that you have to choose a options. Okay, like in our life, in our daily life also, we are choosing the option. Like when you recharge your, or you have recharge your mobile phone, so there is having a different package is available. So which option you want? You want for 1 month, you want for 2 months, you want for 3 months. Okay, so if the months are not feasible to you, then you have to choose one default one. Means you have to take it by default. If you are not take it, your service is not active. So that is called as what? Default cases. Means for working with that application, we require this feature. Like suppose if I show you here, this is a one telephone network in India.
Okay.
Suppose I want to recharge for it, so it is providing you mean the options. So I go for mobile or Geo 5. Suppose enter a number. I okay. So
Well,
see that. So it is showing you me the options. Okay. So which recharge pack you want? Okay. So these are the data is available. Like some is 365 days and 28 days. So if it is my plan that I have to choose, but if I'm unable to purchase it, if I'm not go for any option, then I will must purchase this option. This one is your default option. If I am not go for it, then my mobile number is not working. Got it? So it is called the default option. So for working with this option means it is showing you the variety of option like 2 GB data pack, 1 GB data pack. Okay, 1 GB per day data pack. So which option that you want, you have to choose it. So it is is called as the case statement. It is called as the case statement. Suppose I want to search which thing I want, I am searching. Suppose which thing I am searching, that is my value, and which will match with the content, that is called as the case statement. Clear?
Yes, clear.
So in that scenario, we use the switch case statement. Okay, suppose the option that I have choose here. Suppose if I okay, now check it. In every case statement, we include a part that is called as a break. Here we are using a break statement. Break, break, break. Now the option that we are taking here, it will check here. Is it match with the case statement? Tell me. This color is match with case 1.
Uh, no.
This color is match with case 2.
Yes.
Then after your option is matched, then there is no need to go for further checking. So once you got, means you are going to a dress shop or shopping mall to what purchase your dress. Then after getting your choiceable days, then you stop for searching the similar way. So I will go for check this color in the shop. So after getting my color, then I have to search. I have to stop my searching. So that break statement is required. So in after every case statement, we write the break statement. So after getting your result, so there is no need to search for again. Okay, and there is a statement is present is called as the default statement. Default statement means it is execute for the default statement. There is no need for break because it is the last part to be executed. If nothing will be matched, then default statement is executed. So it is the last statement. Okay, so that default statement is not required any kind of break. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, now we implement it in the programmatically, the switch case.
Uh, sorry. One second. Sorry, I don't understand
Yes,
what you just said. I didn't understand what you just said.
which one? Switch case.
Sorry, what?
This part you are not understand.
No, I didn't understand.
Okay, okay. Can I explain it again?
Sure. Okay.
Okay, so tell me, you just ask my question. Uh, do you able to understand where the switch case is required?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, like it is generally used in your daily life, like where you are choosing anything. So from the multiple items,
Mhm.
so there is switch case is working. Choose your proper dress, choose your proper flavor of ice cream. Okay, choosing where choice is there, so there is switch case is working. Suppose in your mind you are thinking that I want this kind of toy and this kind of book, and you are searching that toy and book in the shopping mall or in the website to have it or to get it. And after you get that item, then you have to stop for your searching. So that is, in that cases, your switch case is actually working. Like, the case statement is providing you option, so from that option you have to choose your item. And if the option that you want to choose, if it is not matched with any statement, then your default statement is execute. So default is the last part of your statement. Clear?
Yes. Clear.
So now I write the program. I start from browser. Okay, it is open. And I write the program has
Just to you know.
then by defining a main method, void main, and here I am choosing the option. Suppose for storing a numeric value, which data type is used for storing the numeric value? See,
Oh, wait. Num1. Yes. Num1.
that is a
Which
pseudo that
int? Wait, int.
is
Oh,
int num.
int.
The printf that is asking you enter a number between 1 to 7. So you have to enter a number between 1 to 7. Then you accept the number that is asking you what? Printf, enter a number between 1 to 7. So your computer is asking to the user that you have to input the number that is between 1 to 7. Then you have to accept it. For accepting the value and store in a variable. For accepting a numeric value, we are using percentile %d. Then and store in a variable, we are using norm. We are using switch. Because the switch you can pass as norm. The variable that you are defined, you pass here norm. Then here you write case. If it is case 1, if anybody is enter 1, then it is showing you this is Monday. Then we are using break statement. Then similar way, the 7th statement you have to pass. If it is case 2, it is Tuesday. If it is case 3, if it is case 4, we have to pass from 1 to 7. So that case 4, then if it is case 5, It is showing you Friday, Saturday. Then if it is case 7, it's showing you Sunday. If it is matched with any case statement, then your default statement is executed. So if you are not passing from 1 to 7 and if you pass any other statement, now I run the file. Okay, so it is asking you that enter a number between 1 to 7. Suppose if I pass here 5, then it is saying you this is Friday. A similar way, if I pass here, if you pass here any other value, like I pass here 8, then it is showing you it is a invalid entry. Okay, as because in the program we have defined here if it is case 1 means if you pass 1, then it is showing you Monday. If you pass 2, it is showing you Tuesday. If you pass 3, Wednesday. 4, Thursday. 5, Friday. 6, Saturday. 7 is Sunday. Okay, so when you pass any value between 1 to 7, if it is matched with any value, then it is shows this statement, then the break statement will appear. Suppose I again run another program. And if I pass here 5, it is showing you this is Friday. Then how it is showing you? Like here it is asking you enter 1 to 7. Then I am passing here 5. So I am accepting it. Now it will check the value that you pass. It is matched with case 1. No. Because we are passing what? Here we are passing 5. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Wait, what? You're passing pi? Sorry, what? I didn't quite understand.
it is
You're
asking you
passing
what
pi.
you have to we have to say the days. So how many days in a week? 7 days.
7.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
you have to pass the value from 1 to 7. Then it will showing you the corresponding day. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Suppose I am passing 1.
Yes.
If I passing 1, then it is showing you me what Sunday, Monday. If I am passing 2, then then Tuesday. 3, Wednesday. 5 is showing you. Oh, sorry, 4 is Thursday. 5 is Friday. Now check here. Here I am passing the value as 5. Now it is matched with case 1. It is matched with case 1. It is matched with case 1. No. It is matched with case 2. No. It is matched with case 3. No. It is matched with case 4. No. Now it is matched with case 5. Yes. The value that you have entered, it is matched with the case 5. So it is showing you this is Friday. Clear? And after getting your result, then your break statement is appear. So when the break statement is appeared, so there is no need to go for searching again. It means after when you search for a particular dress, after getting your dress, then there is no need to search for it again. Clear?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Here.
The similar way it is working here. Okay. So when you pass 5, so it is showing you this is Friday. Clear?
Yes. Here.
Now, if I pass the other value, if I pass the other value, like if I pass here 8, then it is showing you it is a invalid entry because it is asking for you that you have to enter from 1 to 7. Clear?
Yes. Here.
So it is an example of your switch case. Now in the switch case, you can pass a simple calculator program. So how it is working?
Okay.
I'll give it you. Just a minute. Okay. Now I have to write another program that I have to enter any character. Then int character, character na. Then we have to take any character. Enter any character, that is, you can say plus, comma, minus, multiplication, comma, division. So these are the character you have to take. Here we pass as a slash n. Then scanf, for taking a character we are using percentile C. For taking integer, what value we were using? For accepting integer, in place of percentile C, what to write?
Percentile D.
Percentile D. And next is for string, means for a word, what to write?
Sorry, what?
For a word, if you want to store a word, what to write? Percentile
F.
S. Okay, percentile S we are using. So here we are using percentile C, then NA for character. Then now it is asking for you printf, enter a number or enter fast number /n. So for taking two number, we write here int a comma b, then result is enter a fast number, then We're using scanf percentile D. Then it is showing you in the A variable. Then it is asking for you enter second number. And percentile D, then that value is stored in B. Ampersand B. Then now here we have to use a switch statement. The switch, then character, then case. If case is plus, then it is showing you result equals to A plus B, then print, and here we use break statement. Sorry. We are using printf. Similar way, character NA we taken here. Then the value that you are taken here, if it is match with minus, then it is showing you A minus B. If you pass here division, the result equals to A divided by B. If you are passing the star, then it is multiply the number. A into B. Then if you pass any other value, default statement is execute. This showing you here invalid entry. Okay, now I run the program. Okay, now it is asking you enter any character. Suppose I am passing here plus, plus. So enter the number 50. Enter second number 60. Now it is adding the number. The result is 110, or you can pass here any other message here. The this is a simple calculator program. The subtraction is the multiplication is okay. So it is asking for any character. Suppose I am passing here minus, then it is asking you any value 60, then I am passing here 20, then it is showing you the subtraction is 40. Clear? See?
Yes, clear.
Now if I pass here another value, suppose I run the program again, debug, start without debugging, the multiplication, then enter first number, suppose 60, enter second number, that is multiply, and it is showing you 600. Okay, now if I pass any value that is not multiplication, division and modulo, suppose I am passing here ampersand. Okay, so ampersand, suppose I'm passing here 54, I'm passing for 63, that is saying your invalid entry. Okay, the value is not correct. Clear? 3.
Yes, clear. Yes, clear.
There is a switch case program like simple calculator program. If you pass plus, minus, multiplication, division, okay, then it is performing the action. If you pass any other value, then it shows an error for it, or it is showing you it is a invalid entry. Next, I go for another program.
Okay.
Day is over. Switch case. Okay, that is all about your what switch case. Then nested switch case is also present. In a switch case, you can pass another switch case. So what is actually written in the switch case? So switch case is saying that the expression of the switch statement must an integral or enumerated type. So it is a integral type or enumerated type, or be of a class type in which class can has a single conversion function. Means you have to, in a switch case, you have to take a single value, or you have to take a value and you have to check with the multiple option. If your value is matched with any option, then it is showing you that output. In a case statement, it contain a constant value. It has the constant value, which is basically it is used, the value that you are passing, it is matched with the corresponding constant value. And break statement, the in the case switch case, we are using break statement. Break statement is used when you search for a particular data. After getting your information, there is no need to search for again, so that we are using break statement. Break statement is reached, the switch terminate and the flow of control jumps to the next line. Not every case needs to contain a break. If no break appear, the flow of control will fall through the subsequent case statement until break is reached. If you are not getting the break statement, if your break statement is actually, it is used if there is no case statement is matched, or after getting your result, like you are searching for your dress in a shop, So after getting your dress, then you stop for your searching. The break is just like that. So you have to pass a value in a switch case statement. Once your value is matched with the switch case, then automatically break statement is appear. It is stop that searching. Then default case is another statement. If it is not matched with any case statement, then your default statement is executed. So here it is showing you the simple program which is asking you that you have to pass a grade. Okay, if you pass grade A, B, C, in between the grade you have to pass. So like character grade we are passing B. So when you are passing B or C, it is showing you well done. If you passing A, then it is showing you excellent. If you pass a D, then it is showing you are passed. Then if you pass F, it is showing you better and try again. If you are pass any value that is not match with A, B, C, D, F, then it is showing you it is a invalid grade. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Then nested switch statement, it is possible to have a switch as a part of statement sequence of an outer switch even if case constant or inner outer switch contain common value. Okay, so here we use in a case we have to use another switch statement. Nested switch means in a case statement also contain a switch statement. Like we are passing here int a equals to 100, b equals to 200. Okay, so two value were initialized. Now switch a. So a value is 100. So now it is match. So it is showing you this is a this part is a outer switch. Then again in the case we are passing another switch. Then your b value is again match here. Then it is showing you this is a part of inner statement. Okay, so it is called as the your nested switch. It is a nested switch. Okay, so when 100 is reached, so it is showing you this is the outer switch. When 200, it is a inner switch. I'll send this thing to you. Next, we go for the looping statement. Looping is used to execute one statement for more than one time. To repeat a statement, we're using looping construct. Suppose already we have in the have this concept in the pseudocode part. So in the C programming, a loop is used to repeat a block of code until specified condition is met. The till your condition is not true, okay, or until your condition is true, you repeat the statement more than one time. Suppose I am giving you a task that you have to take or the name and contact number of your 20 friend. So for one friend, you have to write the two line. For name one line, for contact number another line. And similar way, for 20 student, you have to pass the 40 line. The 40 line you have to pass. The looping is saying that without writing this 40 line, you have to mention the two line and repeat it into the 20 time. Then what happened? There is no requirement to write the 38 lines. The 38 lines are reduced here by using of looping. So looping is used to repeat one statement for more than one time until your condition has true. To implementing the looping, we're using three looping construct or three looping part. So looping is of your two type. One is your fixed loop, another is your variable loop. Fixed loop means where the number of repetition is known. Means I am giving you a task that you have to take the input of your 20 student. Then at that timing you know that 20 time your looping is execute. But if I am giving you tags that uh, calculate how many peoples are coming to in a fair, okay, it is a open fair is there or suppose book fair is there, so how many student will come in the book fair or how many people will come in the fair or flower fair, so you don't know in advance how many people will join. In that cases, it is called as the variable loop. So variable loop means where the number of repetition is not known in advance is called as the variable loop. Clear? Three.
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now for implementing this looping, looping is called as a repetition of statement. Then for implementing this repeating statement, we're using three parts. One is for loop, another is while loop, another is do while loop. So three parts we are using. One is for loop, another is while loop, and next is do while loop. So it is a three concept that we are using for implementing loop for while and do while. So how this for loop is working? For loop contains the three part. One is first part, it contains the initialization. Second part contain the test condition where you have to check for a condition. Third part is used for increment and decrement. First is initialization. Second is checking condition. Third is increment and decrement. The initialization statement is executed only once. Okay, so first only one time the statement is initialized. Then the expression is evaluated. If the text expression is evaluated to false, for the loop is terminate. Okay, so if your condition is false, then loop is terminate. Okay, so first you have to initialize a value, then you go for checking condition whether your value is less or greater than that value or not. So till that condition is true, then your body part of the for loop is execute. Then after increment and decrement is happen. So however, if the test expression is evaluated to true, the statement inside the body of the loop is execute and update expression is updated. Again, the text expression is evaluated. This process goes on until the test expression is false. When the test expression is false, the loop is terminate. So it is not execute any value here. So this process is continue till you are passing your condition and your condition is true. That is a simple program. I will show you in the program for a for loop how to display 1 to 10. For displaying 1 to 10, we write a simple program. Just okay. So here then for loop, here I pass int I equals to 1, then I less than 10, then I plus plus. Then it is showing you printf percentile d slash n. It is used for showing the value from 1 to 10. Now in for loop int I equals to 1, 1 less than 10, condition is true, then it is printing you I. Then again it is increment. I value is increment to 2. The 2 is less than 10, condition is true, so it is printing you 2. 2 value is increment to 3. 3 is less than 10, condition is true, it is printing you 3. A similar way, the process will continue up to while it is not less than 10. Clear?
Yes, clear.
That is a for loop. So we go for more program in next class. Okay. Chalo. Okay, so bye bye. So we'll meet in the next class. Okay,
Okay, sure. Bye.
bye.